BS Locksmith LLC in Aurora, Colorado, the Denver Metro, automotive, residential, and commercial. Please call us anytime, 720-372-8021. We just did a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2015. Here we go, customer key and our key. Here we go. Lock and unlock, lock and unlock. Okay, that's our key. Turn on the engine. Perfect, it's working. And then the customer key. Here we go. Perfect, wonderful. BS Locksmith in Aurora, Colorado. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, BS Locksmith LLC, 720-372-8021. I'm Shlomo, the owner of BS Locksmith. Please call me anytime, 24/7. Residential, commercial, and automotive locksmith services. Thank you. Have a good day.